like this guy, his opinion, it's totally full of shit.
Rich nigga since birth, Louis V chinchilla, bought a brand new road.
Might as well video.
I've never seen a bike with a stereo system on.
Yeah, that's pretty wild.
That is pretty wild.
That's crazy, huh? I'm gonna wander in. My buddy, did you see that crazy yellow vet?
Yeah.
That's my buddy Ron's.
Yeah, my old boss has got it. Like most beautiful '69 Camaro I've ever seen. Beautiful. I mean, he had a
lot of nice cars here.
I think he paid like 75 grand for it. It's unbelievable. Chrome everything. Cleanest car I've ever seen.
Like crotch rocket's crazy.
Yeah, it really is. I've never seen a bike with a stereo like that.
All right, man. Have fun. My name's Dave.
I'm Shane.
Shane.
Good to meet you, brother.
Have fun. Really nice to see how many badass cars are around.
Yeah,
because you never see them.
Oh, no problem. Yeah,
did a great job.
Thank you for letting us. I hope this is an annual thing now.
No doubt. Hope so. I think we had a pretty good first showing.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of nice.
This
cars.
is huge, yeah.
Yeah.
And I just showed up late. I got off work and buzzed down here.
Yeah. It was a good turnout. Very good.
There are some beautiful cars here, man.
I don't know whose it is, but it's nice. There you go, buddy.
All of these things, man. I don't see a junker here.
Nice show.
I don't see a junker here.
Oh, that's some beauties, man.
What's you gonna do now?
I'm heading home. I'm gonna go home. I want to see if I can find the sending unit. So I checked the temperature gauge on here underneath the hood. I read 175. And over here it's reading like a little over 100.
You have a gauge under the hood?
Yeah, I have it on the radiator. So I figure it's the sending unit. This is moving a little bit. It goes all the way down, then it moves up a little past 100, 120 like that. So I figure it's got to be the sending unit. I'll stop.
Look at these twins.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
63. This is some guys. This is a split window right here, man. Nice. That's a real split window there.
And that one. Or is it?
I don't know.
No, I guess maybe it's solid. Pretty cool though.
You just got off work?
Got off at noon, ran home, hopped on the bike, and came back over here.
Got an armored car here for the show. It's a good show. The kids did a nice job. The kids judged everything. They had 20 different classes. They were really nice awards.
Got a lot of a big turnout.
They had over 135 cars.
Beautiful cars.
For the first show, we never had one before. It's their first. They did very well. They raised.
No burnouts on the track.
No, not allowed. I don't want you tearing that up.
This is a nice track.
$900 on a 50.
This is a nice track, and it's way too soft for doing any kind of spinning your tires.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, feel that. It's,
all right.
It's like soft.
Yeah. So I'm going to head home.
Is it rubber?
Yeah. I'm going to stop at...
Freaking rubber, huh?
I'm going to stop at AutoZone, see if they have the sending unit for me.
Right on.
I'm thinking it's the sending unit. It's got to be. I'll get some antifreeze and change out the antifreeze. You got to drop it anyway to get to it, right?
Yep. You got large flat pans?
I got a regular. You got a large one?
I could just bring a couple over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever. We'll do it tomorrow. All right? See you later, buddy.
Yeah,
Oh,
cool.
you got the bike with you, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow you coming with the car? Yeah. I got those lights for you.
Okay.
The little backup lights. And the
Oh,
red.
really?
Yeah, I got them for you.
All right.
That's cool. I know how many you want.
I'm an aspiring videographer.
I wasn't sure if this was the way out or not.
Follow me.
I'll see you later.
Later.